Now look at this, beard and lean and little belly out, at this. Why we were born so attractive? So that my parents, my siblings will take care of me. I'm helpless. I'm putting a logic, think of it. Think of it. Oh, so my mom finds me my soul, my son, my baby, my daughter. So my mom never felt cleaning me, my body, never felt otherwise. Because that idea of attraction at this age, you see, the nature has such a great intelligence. Then I grow into adolescence. Adolescence is full of energy, and that energy glows on your face and your eyes. Huh? Hormonal, what does the science says the hormonal changes? A sense of attraction. It is more of a sensuality. Why sensuality? Nature is designed by the nature, not by you, not by me. So nature has a purpose to continue the generation of the species. That is why we see the mating of the lion and even the birds. The peacock dances for an hour to attract the female peacock. But why that age? That age is because of nature has a design to continue the generation. So now difference between when I was a baby and now I have reached to the adulthood, there's a big difference. There is no sensuality when I was a baby. Here is a big sensuality when I'm adult. It happens with everyone. So normal. But the nature has designed that purpose. So it means, should I follow the nature or should I create my own set of rules? Now, why I said so? Now adulthood has passed, over 60, my sexual organs have also gone down. No, I will use the Viagra. So you are going to destroy your body? You will have 10 diseases? You're asking the body to overwork? Now the days of the romance outside has gone. Romance, you should have a romance with your real self. It is the journey. You see, the body undergoes a change. You cannot produce that level of hormone at this age which you used to produce in your adulthood. Why don't you recognize it? And you never worried about those hormones when you were babies. 5 years, 10 years, no issue. So the entire nature, just think that nature has that intelligence to lead our life. We don't have a luxury to remain adult, but I force myself to be adult to enter into the romance. That is the problem. So then I will definitely suffer from physical illnesses. I'm already suffering from the emotional and the mental challenges. You have seen your life, you have 3 kids, and now you see the entire journey. I don't have enough control over my birth. I don't have a choice. I don't have enough control. My body continues to grow. I don't have control over the old age and becoming a senior, whatever. I don't have control. So I should see at what age, what changes the body has undergone, and what my mind should do. We don't see that. We feel amazed